Hi my beautiful peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And yes guys, I'm gonna make a huge wall mirror. All right, I'm gonna hang it in my living room. And to start off, I got 16 of these from the Dollar Tree, all silver, so I don't have to paint them. Yay! And they come with a plastic, so I'm gonna take them off. And I went to Home Hardware and they gave me this liquid nail. They said it's good for woods, best for woods and ceramic. So the guy said to try this, and it was like $6 something. And the next piece I got, guys, if you want to get the piece of board, or you know, those piece of board from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, you can go ahead and join like maybe 4 pieces or so together. And this one I got for $16, and I got 2 pieces with it and a long strip. I'm gonna put the mirrors like this. And I have my Gorilla Glue. This is my Gorilla Wood Glue, just to back me up if this one not working out. This works well. Okay, all right, so here goes. So it's gonna be something like this, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna do one in the light so you can see it, guys. And I make sure I sink these in. And you want to put it on the edge or on the corners. I put a little bit here, not much, guys, like so. And I'm gonna put it on this part as well. And we're gonna turn it over. And you put it how you like it. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna do the entire thing just like that, and then I'll come back. All right, guys, so I'm back, and this is it, guys. I hope you can see it good. I have the mesh and I have these beads. What I'm gonna do with the beads, I'm gonna can you see it? I'm gonna line the sides right here, right now, and I'm gonna do it across. I have to cover this part because I was I tried to saw it, but the saw started digging into the sides, so I end up have to paint it, and then I'm gonna cover it. And I'm gonna set this down something like so, guys. And that's the sides. Yes, yes. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm just putting this a little bit right here, okay, and I'm gonna do it right around. In the groove right here, guys, I'm gonna put a strip, like just one row of the mesh, just to hide it a little bit. All right, and then I'm gonna come back, clean it up, and then I'm gonna show you. And guys, this is the mirror. This is the final look, final result. Oh my god, it's super cute. Look at that, guys. Look at the details on it. I add some strips right here so you won't see the lines, and I add a half beaded mesh down the middle. And look at that, guys. Oh yes, it's super pretty, and it matched my wall sconce or my wall candle holders, and it's right in the center. Really pretty. All right, and guys, this is 16 mirrors from the Dollar Tree. All right, guys. Yes, super pretty. Look at that. Everything does tie right in together, because over here guys I have all like black and silver going on, so it ties just right in. The mirror fits perfect right there guys, and I just bling out those wall sconce or candle holder to match it. That's it. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you.